the top 5 most powerful lemon balm benefits and how to make lemon balm tea. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a herbaceous plant in the mint family. It's native to Europe, North Africa, and West Asia but is also cultivated in other parts of the world for its medicinal and culinary uses. Lemon balm has a mild lemon scent and is often used in cooking to flavor dishes and beverages, such as teas and salads. It's also popular in aromatherapy and as a natural insect repellent. Materials and elements and vitamins in the lemon balm. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, contains a variety of compounds, including vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, that contribute to its medicinal properties. Here are some of the key materials, elements, and vitamins found in lemon balm. Phytochemicals. Lemon balm contains several bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, terpenes, and essential oils. These phytochemicals contribute to its antioxidant, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Rosmarinic acid. Rosmarinic acid is a polyphenol found in lemon balm with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It helps protect cells from oxidative damage and may have neuroprotective properties. Volatile oils. Lemon balm leaves contain volatile oils, including citronellal, citrol, and geraniol, which contribute to its characteristic lemon scent and flavor. These oils also have antimicrobial properties and may help soothe digestive discomfort. Vitamins. Lemon balm is a good source of various vitamins, including vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production, while vitamin A is essential for vision health and immune function. Minerals. Lemon balm contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Calcium is important for bone health and muscle function, magnesium plays a role in nerve and muscle function, and potassium helps regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. Triterpenes. Lemon balm contains triterpenes, such as ursolic acid and oleanoic acid, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds may help protect against chronic diseases and promote overall health. Lemon balm contains triterpenes, such as ursolic acid and oleanoic acid, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Flavonoids. Flavonoids are plant compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Lemon balm contains flavonoids such as quercetin, rutin, and luteolin, which contribute to its medicinal properties. Other compounds. Lemon balm also contains compounds like caffeic acid, chlorogenic acid, and tannins, which have various health benefits, including antioxidant and antimicrobial effects. Overall, the combination of these materials, elements, and vitamins in lemon balm contributes to its therapeutic properties and makes it a valuable herb for promoting health and well-being. Medicinal properties of lemon balm. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, has a long history of use in traditional medicine for its various medicinal properties. Here are some of the potential medicinal benefits of lemon balm. Anxiolytic and sedative effects. Lemon balm is often used to promote relaxation and reduce symptoms of anxiety and stress. It contains compounds that may have mild sedative properties, helping to calm the mind and improve sleep quality. Some studies suggest that lemon balm may reduce anxiety symptoms without causing significant sedation or impairing cognitive function. Antioxidant activity. Lemon balm contains compounds such as rosmarinic acid, flavonoids, and phenolic acids, which exhibit antioxidant properties. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation and oxidative damage. Antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Lemon balm has demonstrated antimicrobial and antiviral activity against various pathogens. Gastrointestinal relief. Lemon balm is traditionally used to alleviate digestive discomfort, including bloating, gas, and indigestion. It may help relax the smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, easing spasms and promoting digestion. Some research suggests that lemon balm may also have a protective effect on the stomach lining, potentially reducing the risk of ulcers. Cognitive function. Some studies suggest that lemon balm may have cognitive enhancing effects and could improve memory and concentration. It's thought that compounds found in lemon balm may help modulate neurotransmitter activity in the brain, potentially enhancing cognitive function. Mood enhancement. Lemon balm has been traditionally used as a mood enhancer and may help uplift spirits and improve overall mood. Its calming properties may also contribute to stress relief and emotional well-being. Methods of consumption: lemon balm. Fresh leaves. Fresh lemon balm leaves can be added to salads, soups, sauces, and other dishes to impart a subtle lemon flavor. They can also be used as a garnish for desserts or beverages. Dried leaves. Dried lemon balm leaves can be used to make tea, infused into oils or vinegars, or added to homemade potpourri blends. Tinctures and extracts. Lemon balm tinctures and liquid extracts are concentrated forms of the herb and are often used for medicinal purposes. They can be added to water, juice, or tea for easy consumption. Tinctures are typically alcohol-based extracts, while liquid extracts may be alcohol-free. Capsules and tablets. Lemon balm supplements are available in the form of capsules or tablets, which contain powdered lemon balm extract. These supplements are convenient for those who prefer a standardized dose of the herb. Essential oil. Lemon balm essential oil is derived from the leaves and contains concentrated aromatic compounds. It can be used topically as a massage oil, added to bath water, or diffused in the air for aromatherapy purposes. However, essential oils should be used with caution and diluted properly to avoid skin irritation. Cooking and baking. Herbal tea. To prepare lemon balm tea, follow these simple steps. Gather ingredients. You'll need fresh lemon balm leaves or dried lemon balm leaves, water, and optionally, honey or lemon for flavoring. Wash the leaves. If using fresh lemon balm leaves, wash them thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or debris. Prepare the leaves. If using fresh lemon balm leaves, you can either use them whole or chop them into smaller pieces to release more flavor. If using dried leaves, measure out the desired amount. Boil water. Bring water to a boil in a pot or kettle. The amount of water will depend on how strong you want your tea to be and how many servings you're making. Steep the leaves. Place the fresh or dried lemon balm leaves in a teapot or heat-proof container. Pour the boiling water over the leaves, covering them completely. Allow the leaves to steep in the hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your preference for strength. Strain the tea. Once the tea has steeped, strain out the leaves using a fine mesh sieve or tea strainer. This will remove the leaves and any debris, leaving you with a clear tea. Add flavor, optional. If desired, you can add honey or lemon to sweeten or enhance the flavor of the tea. Stir until the sweetener is dissolved. Serve and enjoy. Pour the freshly brewed lemon balm tea into cups or mugs and serve it hot. You can also allow it to cool and serve it over ice for a refreshing iced tea. Lemon balm tea is best enjoyed fresh, but you can store any leftovers in the refrigerator for a day or two. Simply reheat or serve it cold as desired. Experiment with steeping times and flavorings to find the perfect combination for your taste preferences. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.